Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back with something new. I have a new toy. I mean, you can see right in front of me, right here. That's my arm. It's what I have my camera on when I'm doing all the videos. But behind it is my new toy. I have a new light. It was acquired. It was just a lucky find on Prime Day. Totally, on a lark found it, and I got it by the weekend, but it took me more than a few days to set it up just because things have been just really that hectic and busy and whatnot. But I got this new light and I love it. I've already had it set up. I've used it a bit. And then I got a new desk, and this is my new desk, but we're going to save that for another review. But tonight we're talking about my new light. And you're saying, okay, Mayra, so what's the deal with the new light? Well, let me show you. This is totally an Amazon find, but let's turn it on. Whoa, let there be light, right? Total. I love this thing. And you can tell it's two arms. You can put them together. So it's articulated from the back. So I mean, it's hard to do when I'm trying to hold the camera in this, but I can articulate it. You can tell I can move it up and down. Whoops. And I can pull it out. So hold on a second. Well, now that the light and I have come to some sort of an agreement, I realize that when I put this back on, excuse me, I hadn't pushed the stem all the way down into the base. Now, it has a clamp down here that's supposed to attach itself to the edge of the desk. Well, it worked just fine on my former little plastic table I was using here. But now that I have this tabletop that's thicker, the clamp no longer is, it's not wide enough to accommodate the width or the depth of my desktop. So what I have done, because I'm an ingenious creature, I'm not all that in a package of paper, is that I have clamped it to the base here. And then for the most part, I think they add as counterweights to each other, because I notoriously have an issue with the camera tipping over the arm here. So I usually keep this little jar of pennies, and I've always had it there weighing it down. So just in case I still have it there, although my suspicion is I'm not going to need it anymore. But anyway, neither here nor there. It's something to keep in mind. It would be possibly the only thing I would say about them. But this light is fabulous. I have it right now on the brightest setting. But it adapts. So I could just turn it down. And it turns down in increments to whatever I need to. That's as low as it'll go. And then I can, by the same token, brighten it up again. And then it also has two color settings. I have it right now on natural light, but I can also switch it to actually, no, I think that was the bright light. This is more of that's the light, the blue light. This is, I guess, natural light. I'm not sure because it has a yellow tinge. If you can see, I mean, I don't know if you can see it. I can see the difference. So if we go like this, we have that. So, I mean, for selecting colors and paper and whatnot, having that light. This is, I think, actually the natural light setting. So, it's really, really good. But you can tell I have two settings. And then these guys also. So this is, as you can see, I can bring it down, bring it up just by touching it. And then it has a little locking mechanism right here. I'm not going to mess with it now because I'm trying to do this one-handed. And then, of course, look at that. I can adjust this up or down as well, have it loose. And then these guys pretty much spin. So, I mean, I could set it at any angle that I want. And then these little bolts hold it in. So I can spread them completely out more. I'm leaving them like that because that works for me really, really well. I mean, you can see that it covers my whole desktop. I was planning on getting another one. And I'm thinking I really don't need it. That this is going to work. I've been looking for a good light solution. Because, I mean, you've heard me complain about I'm having a lighting issue. And I'm always casting a shadow from whatever angle I'm at. This is it. So I will link you down below. I did get it to Prime Week and it was knocked down $10. I could only buy one. Trust me, I would have bought two if it had let me. But I used, some of the money I got from, from gifts from Steve's mom, Nan, and from my mom, and from one friend, and I really dug in, and I got this light and the desk. This desk is amazing. But again, that's going to be for another review, so I'm going to do that separately. But I wanted to share with you my lovely little light. I will link you down below in the description box so that you can get it as well if you are interested. It was not that expensive. I think it was $34, but I think regular price is $44. I do not know if that price is returned or not. It might stay that way for the month of July. I don't know. But I will link you down below to it. If you guys are looking for a good work lamp for your desk, this is it, guys. I love it. And again, so it attaches there to the clamp, and if you can see there's a little bolt that holds it in place, but you got to push it all the way in and not be a dingleberry like me and not do that. So anyway, that's what I have for you. This is one of my new things, but I wanted to share it with you. So guys, have a great one. If you are, if you like this, then drop me a comment, give me a like. It helps me to grow my channel. And if you want to see more of this madness, because I'm always getting something or doing something or I'm up to something, then by all means subscribe and ring the bell and I will be back with something. Otherwise, I'm going to let you guys go, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Love you all. And don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come craft the madness with me. Okay, talk to you guys later.